Breakthrough. Victim pinpoints Portmore serial rapist in identification parade. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, more bloodletting in Clarendon, even as National Security Minister promises relief for residents soon. And Peter Bunting sees destiny with PNP presidential vote set for his birthday. There's also Saturday Sports Special, sports commentary and weather in the newscast. But before the break, we'll have there is no feedback question, but we'll have the details in the news when we get back.
News headlines brought to you by